welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vaughn, and in today's video I went to Pennywise. I was really trying to see if I could make it throughout the month of January without going to Pennywise, but I went to Pennywise, and so we have a January Pennywise haul today. There's always a story as to why I even went into Pennywise, and this time it was because I just really needed one thing, or it's just always one thing, and then you end up with a bag of things. So the one thing that I needed this time I mentioned in a Pennywise haul previously. It was a product that I tried for the first time, and well, since we're talking about it, let's just talk about it now. So the product I went in for is this Garnier Whole Blends conditioner, and this is the Illuminating conditioner with Moroccan argan and camellia oils. So I bought this for the first time in either my last Pennywise haul or the one before that, because I was having a Tobago weekend, and with Tobago weekend and relaxed hair and just hair in general, if you care about your hair, you have to have your products on hand. So with regards to my relaxed hair and how I take care of it, you know, in that sense, when it comes to chlorine water or salt water, I make sure to have a moisturizing conditioner on hand. So the process is that I dampen my hair with some water, fresh water, before, and then put the conditioner in my hair. And the science, the thinking behind that is that the water and the conditioner takes up the space, the moisture space in your hair, so that when you go into the chlorine or the salt water, there's no more space for moisture, there's no more space for water. So those things, that type of water can't get into your hair, or at least less of it gets into your hair, so that it in the end prevents less breakage or damage from the chlorine or salt water. So whether or not you think that theory is true, it works. It worked for my hair. This conditioner was great. It conditioned my hair so well. It left my hair feeling really nice and soft, even after coming out the pool and the sea. And because I did not travel with, you know, my whole cupboard, I did also use this for like a bit of a deep condition, and it did do a really great job. Like, it felt conditioning in my hair when it was in my hair, and even after I rinsed it out. So this was a really good conditioner, and as such, I purchased it again because I used it every other time I went to the beach or to a pool situation since then. And yeah, so I just really have to repurchase it because I thought it was a really, it does really well. It did really well. So I bought that, and this is why I went into Pennywise. Now let's see what else I got when I went into Pennywise. Of course, all prices will be listed in the description box below. So the next things that I got are two of the same, and it is the Nair hair remover. This is the moisturizing cream for legs and body. And I bought two. Yep. For some reason, anytime I go into Pennywise, they never have the same hair remover from the same brand. Like, this is probably the third time I've bought a hair remover from Nair, but it's a different one just because they do not have the one that I bought before, and I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, as I said, I bought two because I'm never certain as to how much I would need, and as you can see, I used this one already, and this is the size of the tube, and surprisingly, this did actually, quick review, do really well for both my legs. I pretty much used the entire thing for both my legs in one go, and this was how much? I don't think it was that bad. It was $49.90, so basically $50 for this, and I used it in one go. It did remove my hair really well, so there's no complaints in the actual functioning of the product. I just knew that if I'm using this for my legs, then it's basically either one or one and some that I'll need. So that's why I bought two. This one is done, so I guess you guys will see this in an empty soon enough, and I have the other one to use whenever that time comes. Next thing I got was a sunscreen. I needed a new sunscreen because mine was finished. I did not really know which one to get next. I also did not do much research into it before showing up in Pennywise and choosing, but when I did get there, they had this one by Neutrogena, and this is the Clear Face Breakout Free Oil Free Sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 55 with the Helioplex thing. Yeah, so I've been using this for about 3, 4, 5 days at this point, and it works really well. It is a lightweight, it doesn't feel greasy on my face, it doesn't leave that ashy cast either. So it's been going really good so far. It hasn't broken me out, so I'm really happy with this purchase. Now the next few things that I bought in Pennywise, I don't know, like I knew why do I walk down the aisles that I know I need nothing in? Anyway, so I ended up by the lotion, the cream, and the foot section, and I got this foot intensive repairing sock from the brand Epielle. It's, I guess, Korean beauty because it has K beauty on it. And I bought two because I figured why not have like a cutesy spa date night. So I just picked it up. It has coconut oil, milk extract, and hyaluronic acid in it. So that just sounds really moisturizing, and who doesn't want moisturized soft feet? Next thing I got is also pedi related. I do my own pedicures, not as often as I feel like I should, but when I do, why not have the little things to make it even more special? So this next thing is a pedi mask with algae and aloe vera. It's a moisturizing mask from the brand Gina. Yeah, I just saw it and I was like, ooh, this looks nice, so I could pick this one up. I was gonna pick up a scrub, but I do have some of a scrub from a set that I bought before that I still need to finish, so that's that. Next things I picked up from Pennywise is snacks. You cannot go to Pennywise without picking up snacks, and I showed you guys this before. This is like my healthy snack. So I bought quite a few. There are 4 of the ones I liked on the shelf, or 5, so I left one back. So the one I really like is the espresso mocha. Again, it's a really dry cookie. It comes with 2 cookies in it, but this has chocolate chips in it, so plus any chocolate chips plus the coffee flavor. I really just like that. So that is this, and it has what? 1 carbohydrate and 1 fat. That's real? That doesn't make any sense. So there's 2 cookies in here, and they say 1 cookie is 1 serving. I eat the both cookies when I eat this. Anyway, it has 5 grams of total fat, 0 cholesterol, 30 milligrams sodium, 1 gram of protein in it. Anyway, it just looks like a healthy snack. Whether or not it's healthy, I like how it tastes, so I bought 4 of these. And I also bought 2 of the coconut one. The coconut one isn't really that bad, so I just bought 2 of those. And that is everything that I got from Pennywise, but you guys know me. I do not go to Pennywise and not go to a pharmacy, so Super Farm or Wonderful World. This time I went to Super Farm because when I did my 5-second research into the sunscreen that I was looking for, the one that popped up was a mist from Neutrogena, and I did go into Pennywise hoping to see it there, but like all the fun fancy things just never end up in Pennywise, unfortunately. Like they have great stuff, you know, like they have a wide variety of stuff, but when it comes to specific things and most of the stuff that I usually, you know, want, they don't have it. So I went into Super Farm with my mommy, or just randomly, and I found on the shelves the same mist that I saw online. So this is again by Neutrogena, and it is the Ultra Shea Face Mist, another broad spectrum SPF 55 with the same Helioplex thing. This one again I have been using. My, you know, role or function for this is to refresh my SPF throughout the day, because as you know, the SPF that you put on in the morning is not going to give you long lasting all day protection. For the most part, some might give you 2 hours. Let me see, this one is water resistant for 80 minutes, but some of them only last for like 40 minutes. So we should really be refreshing our, or reapplying our SPF throughout the day, but nobody really has time for that, you know. So I bought this so that would be easier, so I could just spray it on my face throughout the day, and you know, I'll be taking care of my skin. In regards to how it works, it definitely burns your eyes, so do not leave your eye open when you're putting this on. It doesn't leave that white cast. I still have to figure out whether or not I find it's greasy, because the last time I sprayed it, it did look a little bit greasy, but I don't know yet. But it's been going well. Again, it hasn't broken me out, so I'm happy with it so far. And that is it for this haul, my first Pennywise haul for the year 2021. We have a January haul. If you've used any of these things, you've been looking at them, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be notified, to know whenever I post a new video. And if you enjoy my stuff, then share it. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with share it with anybody. And I'll be really, 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 really grateful. Anyway, look out for an empties video soon enough. I have some stuff from late last year, well not late last year, but some stuff that I should have shown you guys, and so I'll hit you with the empties video real quick, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. By the way, I'm not naked, huh? I have on a tube top, so in case you're wondering.